Good morning, children. So let's continue with the chapter. Where are the lines really? Sunita describes her view of Earth from the spaceship. The Earth looks so beautiful and amazing. We could watch it for hours from the window of the spaceship. We could clearly see the curved shape of the Earth. Okay, so this is what Sunita's experience is. Sunita's experiences have been used to give our children a sense of Earth's gravity. Okay, what do you mean by Earth's gravity? That Earth's gravity is the force of the Earth which pulls everything towards itself. Alright. So use of the term gravity is not needed, but we are telling you. Okay. Look at this photograph of the earth. You can see the photograph of the earth, children. It's beautiful earth here. You can see green lines, blue and brown. Okay. So look at this photograph of the earth taken from the spaceship. From such photographs today we know that what earth looks like, but thousands of years ago people could only imagine what the earth looked like. Scientists tried hard to find out how big is the earth, how does it go around. Look at this photograph and tell. Can you see India? Can you recognize any other places? Where is the sea? Okay, so all blue thing is the sea, brown thing is land, okay, and green is of course the jungle and all, okay, forest area. Now Uzaira and Shahir are looking at different countries on the globe. You can see they are looking. Now Uzaira, see, there are lines between the different countries on this globe. Are such lines also there on the earth? Shahamir, there must be. They are there on the map of the India in this book. See, there are lines between the different states too. Children, now you have to think about it. Who had made the line? Who said this is India, this is Pakistan, this is Maharashtra, this is Uttar Pradesh? Who created the line? Was the line there before on earth? Is it there when you see from the space? No. So children, there is no lines made. It's us who made all these lines, who have, we try to separate the places, segregate the places, right? That this is my area, that is your area, right? Look at the map given in this book and tell. Can you find the states in which you live? So children, here you have to check the map and find write the question answers of this. Okay, when Sunita saw the earth from the space, she found the earth very beautiful. Many thoughts came to her mind as she describes it. From so far away, one can only make out the land and the sea. One cannot see the different countries. Okay, now this is important. Divisions in the countries has been done by us. Okay, please underline. Divisions in the countries has been done by us. All the lines on the maps are made by us. They are in our minds. I wish you all think about this. Where are the lines really? So, there are no lines actually. So, we have divided it. Now, look at the sky. Shahamir, he closes one eye and moves the coin back and forth while looking at the moon. Look, I can hide the moon behind the coin. Uzaira, wow! Imagine hiding such a big moon behind such a small coin. So that you can do also. You can try at your home. It is so far away, the moon is so far that you can hide it with the coin. Have you ever looked carefully at the sky at night? Don't the twinkling star look magical? And sometimes the moon is silvery and bright, while sometimes it is nowhere to be seen in the black sky. Okay, in the black sky it gets hidden. So this you have to find out. What are the festivals related to moon? When is the next full moon? Okay, these answers to be answered by you. Alright. Look at the table and tell. Given below are the lines, are the times at which the moon rises and sets in Delhi. Okay. So on 28/10/2007, time of moon rise is 1916 and time of moon set is 8:50. Okay. So on the basis of this table you have to answer these questions. Now there is a poem related to twinkling stars. So stars are twinkling in the sky. Why do they twinkle? Tell me why. How many can you see? Some seem near and some seem far. Is there a name for every star? How many can you see? They shine so bright in the dark of my night. Why do they hide in the morning light? How many can you see? Some shining stars we know so well, but every star has a tale to tell. How many can you see? So this is beautiful poem. Yeah. An interesting photograph. This you can see, children. A spaceship went to the moon and this photograph of the earth was clicked from the surface of the moon. You can see the surface of the moon visible here. See how the earth is looking. Can you see the surface of the moon? Do you have questions after looking at the picture? Write down those questions and discuss them in your house. Okay. So your best and things will work out. Do your best and things will work out. So when Sunita Williams was only 5 years old, she saw pictures of Neil Armstrong landing on the moon. So in 1969, Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon like any other child. Sunita was also fascinated. Sunita says that when she was a young girl, she really loved sports, especially swimming. She was never too interested in studies. After high school, Sunita wanted to become a diver who dives in the water, but she could not get into the course. Instead, she became a helicopter pilot. One day, she found out that if she studied and traveled and trained for it, she could join the space mission. And that is what she did. In 2007, Sunita Williams set a new record for longest space flight by a woman. Sunita often gives her own example to tell children, if you want something but you get something else, do not give up. Do your best and things will work out. So when Sunita was asked by a child, what would she like to do in the future? She answered, I want to become a school teacher so that she could make children understand how science and maths are closely linked to our lives. Okay, so here we are done with the chapter. So Sunita Williams' experience was very interesting, children. So after you are done with this, I'm going to send a video on Sunita Williams in space. Okay.